Hey everyone! Looking for a quick, delicious, and super refreshing smoothie without using ice? I've got the perfect strawberry banana smoothie for you, and it's gonna blow your mind. Let's dive in! Make sure that you have these items and ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup fresh or frozen strawberries, ½ cup yogurt, plain or vanilla, ½ cup milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness, and most important, a blender. First up, grab 1 ripe banana and cut into pieces. Add about a cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, sliced or whole. Now here's the trick, you don't need ice. Those frozen strawberries, if you chose to use them, give it that perfect chill and creamy texture. Next, pour in ½ a cup of 2% milk or almond milk, or any milk you prefer. If you want it extra creamy, throw in a spoonful of Greek yogurt for that added smoothness and protein boost. Also, if you prefer some sweetness, just add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Blend it all together and boom! You've got yourself a naturally sweet, super smooth, ice-free strawberry banana smoothie. Now let's enjoy.